Okay, right. Very good morning to all of you. So, last class we completed some material questions. Today I am going to finish total inverse trigonometric functions chapter. So, we will discuss some more points in this material only. Right? See, first one, show that if 144 if tan A equal to 1 by 3 comma tan B equal to 1 by 7, prove that 2a plus b is equal pi by 4. Pi by 4 we are going to prove that 2a plus b is equal to pi by 4. So what is given data? Given tan a equal to 1 by 3, tan b is equal 1 by 7. Tan b is equal to 1 by 7. See, we are going to simplify 2a plus b is equal to pi by 4. So, two values data given in terms of tan. So, you take a tan of 2a plus b, you have to consider. Tan of 2a plus b, it is equal to tan pi by 4 value 1. Okay, now means you take tan on both sides, what happens? Tan of 2a plus b, it is equal to 1. We are going to prove indirectly. I am telling you. Okay, now 1 anta prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಸಲುವಾಗಿ tan 2a tan a plus b ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. tan 2a ಬರ್ತದಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು tan 2a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So tan 2a, so what is our formula? So 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a, 1 minus tan square a. So 2 into tan a, 1 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 3 whole square. So it is equal to 2 by 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 9. 1 minus 1 by 9. Simplified. So 2 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 9 is nothing but 8 by 9. So bringing into numerator 9 by 8. Bringing into numerator 9 by 8. Understand? So simplification. 3 1s and 3 3s. 2 1s, 2 4s. So answer is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So after simplifying this, you consider tan 2a plus b. Tan 2a plus b you have to consider, not RHS value. You take only LHS value. For LHS you take tan 2a plus. Why we are taking only tan 2a plus b? Okay, na? This is given. So data also given in terms of tan. That's why I consider tan 2a plus b. Suppose the data is given in terms of sin cos, means I will consider sin or cos. Sin or cos. So tan 2a plus b formula, tan x plus y formula, tan 2a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan 2a into tan b, it is equal to, so tan 2a you already simplified 3 by 4 plus tan b 1 by 7 whole divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 7. Then simplify this. Then simplify this. So 4 into 7, 28. Next 3 into 7, 21 plus. So 4 into 1, 4. All divided by LCM is 28 minus 3 divided by 28. So 4 into 7, 28. So 28 minus 3. So simplified 28, 28 cancel. Simplified 25 by 25. So it is equal to 1. So 21 plus 4, it is 25. 28 minus 3, it is 25. So 25 by 25, how much? 1. So our solution tan 2a plus b is equal to 1. Tan 2a plus b is equal 1 can be written as tan pi by 4. Both sides tan cancel. So our solution 2a plus b is equal 2a plus b is equal pi by 4. 2a plus b is equal to pi by 4. That is our solution. Understand? Understand, students? Very simple question. Note down fast. Next one. Show that tan A equal to 1 minus cos 2A divided by sin 2A. So hence deduce the value of tan 15 degrees. Using this data, using this question, you have to simplify tan 15 degrees. Tan 15 degrees. See how? Remember this point. So given. So first we have to show this value. So tan A is equal 1 minus cos 2A divided by sin 2A. So you take that RHS value. RHS value is what? 1 minus cos 2A divided by sin 2A. 1 minus cos 2A divided by sin 2A. So 1 minus cos 2A formula. 1 minus cos 2A, 1 minus 2 sin square A divided by cos 2A formula in terms of sin I took. So 1 minus 2 sin square A. So sin 2A formula 2 sin A cos A. 1 minus is multiplied -1 minus plus 2 sin square A whole divided by 2 sin A cos A. Again, so plus 1 minus 1 cancel, remaining 2 sin square A divided by 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A. Then you simplify. So 2 get cancelled. Sin A square also cancel. Remaining sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A is nothing but tan A. That is our solution. Okay, right? So therefore tan A is equal. What is our value? 1 minus cos 2A divided by sin 2A. This is like formula 1. Right? And bitcoin. Now, our aim ಕೇಳಿದರಲ್ಲಿ tan 15 degrees. Using this value, you simplify tan 15 degrees. Okay na? So A place, put A is equal 15 degrees. Then what happens? In the above, this is equation 1. So in equation number 1, then what happens? You see, tan 15 degrees equal to 1 minus cos 2 into 15 degrees divided by sin 2 into 15 degrees. Sin 2 into 15 degrees. Understand? Now 1 minus cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees value how much? Root 3 by 2 divided by sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2. Now simplify this. So 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 4 divided by 1 by 2. Now simplify, 2 get cancelled. So remaining, so 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root. Using this result, we have to simplify tan 15 degrees value. Simplification is easy. You know that how to simplify tan 15 degrees value. You know that already. Okay na? That is also one process. This is another process. Using this formula. Okay na? Then we put it formula. Right? Not done fast. Not done fast. Okay. Next one, 146. Using transformation formulas. Prove that cos 20 degrees plus cos 100 degrees plus cos 140 degrees equal to 0 we are going to do using transformation formulas. Using transformation 8 formulas. You are solving this. So take cos, so here are 20 degrees, 100 degrees to 140 degrees is given. You take any two pair. Any two pair means how you are going to follow? Least degree, highest degree. So least angle, highest angle, you take one pair. Understand? So cos 140 degree plus cos 20 degree plus cos 100 degree. These two I consider one pair. First two I consider. Now applying cos x plus cos y formula. So cos x beside I will write the formula. So cos x plus cos y, it is equal to, so 2 cos x plus y divided by 2. So cos x minus y divided by 2. Cos x plus cos y formula, it is equal to 2 cos x plus y divided by 2 cos x minus y divided by 2. Right? Now apply formula for these two. So what happens? 2 cos 140 plus 20 degrees divided by 2 cos 140 degree minus 20 degrees divided by 2 plus cos 100 degrees plus cos 100 degrees. Right? Now 2 cos, here you simplify. 140 plus 20, 160 divided by 2 means 80 degrees. Next 140 minus 20, 120 means cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees plus cos 100 degrees. Cos 100 degrees. Everything is clear? Now, so 2 into cos here 80 degrees cos 60 degrees value already you know that 1 by 2 plus cos this 100 degrees, right? As 2 to get cancelled, 2 to get cancelled. Now remaining cos 80 degrees plus cos 100 degrees. Then apply same formula. Then apply same formula. 2 cos, you write first big angle, 100 plus 80 divided by 2 cos 100 degrees minus 80 degrees divided by 2. Okay, right? Now what happens? First value 2 into cos 90 degrees cos 10 degrees. So cos 90 degrees value already 0. 0 into anything is 0. So basically right, cos 90 degrees value 0. That's why 0 into anything is 0. That is our solution. Now done fast. Now done. Next question, 149 your material. 149. Show that sin 5a plus sin 2a minus sin a divided by cos 5a plus cos 2a plus cos a equal to tan 2a. See this question. So you are going to prove that tan 2a, like models already we did. Okay, now using transformation formulas only. Okay, right? Take that. Sin 5a, that is the biggest angle. So what is smallest angle? Sin a. So minus sin a plus sin 2a. So I took LHS value. In that LHS I took small changes. Small changes I took. So sin 2a minus sin a. So plus the sin 2a. Similarly, you have to do in denominator also. Cos 5a plus cos a. So plus cos 2a. Understand? So in numerator and denominator we took smallest angle and big angle. We take one pair. We take one pair. Understand? Now apply for these two. Sin x minus sin y formula. So 2 cos 5a plus a divided by 2 sin 5a minus a divided by 2 plus sin 2a whole divided by cos 5a plus cos a. Formula is what? 2 cos 5a plus a divided by 2 cos 5a minus a divided by 2 plus cos 2a plus cos 2a. Understand? We applied transformation 8 formulas in that. First one, 2 cos 5a plus a divided by 2 sin 5a minus a divided by 2. Denominator 2 cos 5a plus a divided by 2 cos 5a minus a divided by 2. Model fast. Next simplify 2 cos 5a plus a, 6a by 2 means 3a. Second value sin 5a minus a means 4a, 4a by 2 means 2a plus sin 2a divided by 2 cos 3am cos 2am plus cos 2a. So numerator what value common? Numerator sin 2a is common, remaining 2 cos 3a plus 1 divided by, in denominator also cos 2a common, so remaining, so 2 cos 3a plus 1. So what is our final answer? These two will be same. 2 cos 3a plus 1. 2 cos 3a plus 1 is the same, cancel. So remaining sin by cos means tan 2a. So tan 2a. That is your tan 2a. That is your answer. That is your answer. Note down fast. That is your answer. That is your answer. So same model I will give in one homework problem. Same model I will give one homework problem. You have to solve. Take one homework problem. Homework. Prove that sin 50 degrees minus sin 70 degrees plus sin 10 degrees equal to 0. You do this one homework. You do this one homework. This one you do homework. You do this one homework. Next question. Next question. Find the values of value of sin 18 degrees, hence find 168 in your material. Page number 89. Page number 89, question number 168. Hence find cos 30 degrees, cos 180 degrees, cos 18 degrees, cos 18 degrees, sin 36 degrees, sin 36 degrees. Simplify this. Very interesting and important question, right? So consider theta is equal to 18 degrees. Consider theta is equal to 18 degrees, right? So multiplying on both sides 5. What happens is 5 theta 5 into 18. So what happens? 5 theta is equal to 90 degrees. Now what value we are going to simplify? Sin 18. So taking sin on both sides. So what happens? this 5 theta I was writing 2 theta plus 3 theta, it is equal to 90 degrees, right? 2 theta plus 3 theta is nothing but what? 5 theta only. So 2 theta equal to 90 degrees minus 3 theta. 90 degrees minus 3 theta. Then you consider sine on both sides. Taking sine on both sides, what happens? Sine 2 theta equal to sine of 90 degrees minus 3 theta. Sine of 90 degrees minus 3 theta. Understand? After that, sine 2 theta formula 2 sine theta cos theta. Right? So sine 90 minus 3 theta cos 3 theta, cos 3 theta, 90 minus theta. Now simplification, 2 sin theta cos theta, it is equal to, so cos 3 theta formula 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 theta. Understand? Next 2 sin theta cos theta, it is equal to, these two terms cos theta is common. What happens? Cos theta is common. 4 cos square theta minus 3. 4 cos square theta minus 3. So both sides cos theta will be cancelled. Understand? After that, 2 sin theta, it is equal to 4 cos square theta. So cos square theta can be written as 4 of 1 minus sin square theta minus 3 we have to take. Minus 3 we have to take. Understand? So now 2 sin theta, it is equal to multiply 4. 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 3. After that, 2 sin theta, it is equal to 4 minus 3, 1. 1 minus 4 sin square theta. So all values bring into one side. All values bring into left hand side. So minus 4 means plus 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1, it is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in sin theta. It is a quadratic equation in sin theta. Okay, now note down fast. It is a quadratic equation in sin theta. Note down fast. 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation in sin theta. So roots. So minus being plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So a equal to 4, b equal to 2, c is equal to minus 1. You apply sin theta is equal to minus 1 minus 2 plus or minus square root of, so 2 square minus 4 into minus 1. So divided by, so 2 into 4. So again sin theta is equal, so minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 square means 2 square means 4. 4 minus into minus plus 16 divided by 8. How about this value? Sin theta is equal, this value minus 2 plus or minus, how much this value? 4 plus 16, 20. So root 20 can be written as, so 4 into 5. So 4 into 5 means 2 into root 5. 2 into root 5 can be written as. So you can write directly 2 into root 5 divided by 8. So you common 2 and cancel. So 2 is common, minus 1 plus or minus root 5 divided by 8. So 2 ones 2 4. So how much the value? Minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. You take positive value. Therefore, sin theta is equal to root 5 minus 1 divided by 4. You take only positive value. Root 5 minus 1 divided by 2 na 4. 4 alwa. So that is theta what we consider. Theta is equal to 18 degrees. Therefore sin 18 degrees equal to root 5 minus 1 divided by 4. You take only positive value, not negative value. So that is sin 18 degrees value. That is sin 18 degrees value. Understand? Understand or not? Sin 18 degrees value. You take only positive value. Sin 18 degrees value is positive value. That is acute angle. So you have to take only positive value. Understand? Next, remaining values. Remaining values. Using this, you have to simplify remaining values. So we know that cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, right? So put theta is equal 18 degrees. Then what happens? In the above formula. So what happens? Cos 2 into 18 degrees 1 minus 2 sin square 18 degrees, right? So 2 into 18 cos 36 degrees equal to 1 minus 2. Sin 18 degrees already simplified. How much? Root 5 minus 1 divided by 4 whole square. Then simplify this. 1 minus 2 into a minus b whole square. So root 5 whole square plus 1 square minus 2 into root 5 divided by 4. 4 square, sorry, 16. It is 16. Understand? A square plus b square minus 2 into root. Now 2 ones, 2 eights. Now LCM is what? 8. LCM is 8. 8 minus directly I am doing. So root 5 whole square 5. Next minus is multiplied means minus 5. So minus 1 plus 2 into root. Understand? Minus already directly multiplied. Now, so this is 8 minus 6, 2. 2 plus 2 root 5 divided by 8. So 2 common and cancel. Remaining 1 plus root 5 divided by 4. 1 plus root 5 divided by 4. 2 common and cancel. 2 common and cancel. Any doubts you have to take like this. So root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. That is our solution. Now down fast. This is cos 36 degrees value. Next sin 36 degrees value. Now down fast. Next we know that cos square theta is equal 1 minus sin square theta, right? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, right? So put theta is equal 18 degrees here. What happens? Cos square 18 degrees equal to 1 minus sin square 18 degrees. Already sin 18 degrees you know that. So 1 minus sin root 5 minus 1 whole square. Root 5 minus 1 divided by 4 whole square. Right? Simplification. 1 minus, this is expanded. Root 5 whole square plus 1 square minus 2 into root 5 divided by 16. Now take LCM 16. LCM you take 16. So 16 minus 5 minus 1 plus 2 into root 5 divided by 16. 16 minus 6 plus 10. So that is 10 plus root 5 divided by 16. Okay, now this is cos square 18 degrees value. 10 plus 2 into root 5 divided by 16. So cos 18 equal to root over 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 16 divided by 16. That is your cos 18 degrees value. Understand? Innu simplification ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos 18 degrees equal to 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by root of 16 means 4. You can modify like that also. Note down fast. Still one more value is remaining. What is that? Sin 36 degrees. Sin 36 degrees. Sin 36 degrees. Right. Sin 36 degrees. We know that sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. Put theta is equal to 80 degrees. So sin 2 into 18 degrees equal to 2 sin 18 degrees cos 18 degrees. 2 sin 18 degrees cos 18 degrees. 2 sin 18 degrees cos 18 degrees. Right? And now sin 36 degrees to sin 18 degrees already simplified. How much? Root 5 minus 1 divided by 4 into cos 18 also simplified. How much? 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4 under root. This much only now. Okay na? Now all values you take in the root. So we have to take inside the root. What happens the value? 2 right outside this value. Inside the root you have to take root 5 minus 1 whole square and this value 10 plus 2 root 5. So whole root you take divided by 4 into 4 16, 4 square. 16 means 84. But constant right outside. ಅದೇನು ರೂಟ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. 4 into 4 16 divided by 16. Understand first value. This value you take root means square means you take inside the root. Root 5 minus 1 whole square. This value already root is there. Okay na? Now do simplification. This is 1 by 8 simplification madidre. This is expanded. This is expanded. What happens? Root 5 whole square 5 1 square 1 5 plus 1 6 6 minus 2 root 5 into 10 plus 2 root 5. Understand? Understand? Again 1 by 8 these two multiplied 60. Next 12 root 5. Next minus 20 root 5 plus minus 4 into 5. See that simplification. 6 into 10 60. 6 into 2 root 5 12 root 5. Next minus 2 into root 5. So minus 2 into 10 minus 20 root 5. Again minus into plus minus 2 into 2 4 root 5 into root 5 5 4 into 5. Now 1 by 8 sine 36 degrees equal to 1 by 8. So inside root is missing. Root is missing. You take root. Root is missing. Root over. This is 60. This is minus 20. How much? 40. Next plus 12 root 5. 20 root means minus 8 root 5. 8 root 5. Right? Now what value common in these two? 2 now. 4 common ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? 4 common ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 1 by 8. So 4 is common means 10 minus 2 root 5 under root. So 1 by 8 root 4 means 2 root over 10 minus root 5. Root over 1 minus 10 minus 2 root 5. So root 4 means 2. So simplification madidre. So 10 minus 2 root 5 under root divided by 4. That is cos 36 degrees value. That is cos 36 degrees value. So what you know? So using theta is equal to 18, we simplified sin 18, cos 18, sin 36, cos 36. Note down first. Note down. Students, note down small note points. Sin 18 degrees value, cos 70 degrees value same. Similarly, third point, cos 18 degrees value equal to sin 72 degrees value same. Fourth point, cos 36 degrees equal to sin 54 degrees values are same. Note down these points. Sin 18 degrees value ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೋ cos 72 degrees value also same. So how much this value? Root 5 minus 1 divided by 4. How much sin 36 we simplified? 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 4. Next cos 18 degrees value. Cos 18 degrees ಎಷ್ಟು cos 18? 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. Cos 36 degrees value, root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. Understand? All values correct na? Verify that. Correct na all values?
So 1 plus root 5.
Root 5 plus 1 divided by the same. Okay na? So you practice these values today. Okay, thank you all. Okay, thank you everyone. So you have to practice these questions.